Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and don't forget that you can, if you use Microsoft Edge, get some extensions. They are available from the Microsoft Store. The best way to get them, simply go on your Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 10. Once you are there, you will go into the three little dots on the upper right corner for the menu. You, of course, from here will go to Extensions. And once you're here, you'll see Explore More Extensions. Simply click here. Brings you to the Microsoft Store, where you will see the Edge extensions that are available right now. Quite a lot more than there was at the beginning. And so you can explore what's interesting in here. And there's everything from AdBlock Plus to all sorts of other interesting add-ons that could be very, very cool to have. So check it out. You can add all of these. Remember, on the add-on side, I always say to be careful. You see here, it gives you suggestions of some of the extensions also. So one of the things to be careful, don't overextend your browser. It's not just a Microsoft Edge thing. It's any types of browser you use. Be careful about using extensions. The more you add, the more it adds to the browser's usability, and it slows it down when you actually add too many. So just go to the strict minimum if you need to have extensions. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, let us know. Thank you for watching.